Hi Pisceans, I am going to look at your 10-day period. I am going to start your reading from today, that is 17th of November to the 26th of November. I am going to look at the energies that are around you that are going to affect you. So I'll be giving you tips about these good or bad energies. And before I start this reading, I am going to read out a card from the Angels Oracle deck, from the Abundance deck. The card which came out for you is saying gratitude list. So it is saying counting your blessings and feeling gratitude for what you already have helps you to be centered in your heart instead of fixated on worries in your mind. What and who are you grateful for right now? Keep focusing upon gratitude and you will discover the amazing generosity of this universe. So make a gratitude list. What or who is the benefactor of you, that has to be determined by you. And once you do that, it really helps you to pay off your karma debts. So there is this topic which is coming in your reading as well. So the first energy which I see is of the Hierophant. This could be a person around you, or a Taurian person, or you might be in a mode wherein you are coming into this reading as someone who is looking for his or her higher goals, spiritual goals. Someone who is looking at spiritual goals, someone who is looking at higher, knowledge, higher, or seeking, seeking knowledge from someone who is in this Hierophant energy. Hierophant means a person who is a religious leader, or you are wanting to gain some knowledge about your religion, or you are wanting to gain knowledge about government activities, or someone who is in the authority. So you are either interacting with this person, or you are in this mode of doing something legal, something traditional. You are rooted in that traditional ways of doing things. But what is happening is you are going to put a stop to that. Maybe some of you are going to find out more about religion, find out more about your higher goals. So, you might be walking away from some commitment. So this Hierophant energy could be a big commitment like a marriage, could be a commitment like a job. So some of you are leaving a certain rules and regulation boundaries, or some of you are leaving a job, some of you are leaving a corporate, some of you are thinking of going away to join another corporate or a big organization, NGO, or community work. So it could be that as well, because I see the 8 of cups. 8 of cups means that there are these 8 of cups which are already there. You have experienced these emotions. Cups means emotions. So you have already experienced these emotions. Could be in marriage, could be in a long affair, could be in a job in which you are working for a long time. So you have explored everything. Now you want to get out of rules and regulations, get out of this commitment, get out of this tradition, and you want to go ahead and explore your ninth cup. That is your wish fulfillment. So you are going towards wish fulfillment, and it is all the more corroborated with the death card. So the death card means that you are going to put a stop to a certain thing. So this thing, this commitment which I am seeing, this exploration will take over you, and you will be putting something, the current situation, to death. So basically the things which are around you will stop mattering to you. The fate, your fate will strip all your illusions regarding the current job, current family relations, current interactions with people, current affairs, current everything. It will take you out of this, or you will be able to see some truth. I see you in the hangman mode. So the death and hangman, when they come together, these are major arcana cards. When they come together, this means that either you will be Either you will be faced with some physical harm, something will happen, some accident or something which will make you experience a physical harm, could be in some circumstances, or it could be a benefit coming to you, a surprising benefit coming to you through your sacrifice. So you will be sacrificing something for a major benefit. It could be for some of you. So it could be something, some surprising event which will, give you a chance to get benefited in life. It could be your step towards it, or it could come from the divine intervention. Whatever it is, you will enjoy this process. You will enjoy this, joyful sacrifice. You will be doing this. It will be a favor which you will be doing to yourself. So it will be taking you out of the present circumstances. Whatever may, mean something to you, that, your fate will strip away all illusions. Nothing will matter to you, and you will try and go towards your goal of success, goal of higher self. So this is very, very deep, my dear Pisceans, and it means something. So if it is resonating with you, if you are understanding what I am saying, then it is happening to you. It's happening to you. You are not satisfied with the current circumstances. You want to sacrifice this, smilingly, kind of a martyrdom, kind of a, something you are going to do which will take you out of a, your rut, your cycle, and you will be going out to explore something new. So this is what I am seeing as the first energies which are coming to you in these 10 days. You will be, coming across as a creative person. This is Queen of Cups clarified by Queen of Cups. So you will be seen by people as someone who is very, very attractive, someone who is very beautiful, someone who is very handsome, someone who has lot of creativity, someone is trying to do something new, someone who is protected by the divine, someone who is secure by the divine, someone who has lot of love for something or someone. So you will have lot of love for something or someone which will take you out of a certain circumstances. This can also mean, going away towards your loved one to commit, maybe against family wishes, maybe against, the family, maybe against rules and regulations laid out by your religion, or laid out by your, traditions. So you will be going out towards your love. Why? Because I see Two of Wands. I see this decision taking place. I see this, prospect. You are still in this prospective energy. You are still looking at the possibilities of going towards your lover, some of you, or going towards your job which you love, going towards your profession which you love. So you are going to take a step. You are not going to conform, or you are going to, conform to a certain religion, take up a new religion. It could be that, it could be a new job. You are getting into a new big corporate, joining a global organization. Some of you, if you take it, in practical sense, some of you are getting away from a certain house or a location and going towards a new location. So you are sacrificing an old location, old neighborhood, old friends to explore something new. So you are in this prospective stage. You are going to buy a new house, maybe some of you are wanting to sell old properties, sell old ties. Old things will be sold, and new things will be explored, because I see a new beginning of love, new transformation. Because death also means transformation. This means, sometimes physical death, sometimes, mostly it is rebirth, reorganization, transition phase. new transitions happening in your life. These transitions will be joyful, you will love the journey. You maybe it will be painful for some time, or it will give you some sadness, but ultimately you will enjoy this process, because you will be going towards your ninth cup. You will be going towards your wish fulfillment. So the wish fulfillment will happen with new love situation in your life, or an old love which will be regenerated, or a love which you were kept away from. You are going to reunite with that person, and you are going to enjoy that situation. Something passionate, something lovable is coming towards you. I see some new opportunities or promotions coming to some of you are going to start something from the scratch. Some of you are leaving your homes and going towards a new country for education. Some of you are going to achieve something, because I see the 9 of cups. I see the 9 of cups. This is, eight, from 8 of cups you are graduating to 9 of cups. Maybe 8 of cups was there in the past. Now you are coming on to this 9 of cups. You are going to fulfill your wishes within the 10 days, or maybe after that, but it is coming to you. You will be able to get something which you can work and make it bigger. And your financial situation is going to look good. You are going to be successful. You are going to earn a lot of money, or bring in stability in your life. Something beneficial is going to come to you, and you will feel that I have fulfilled my wishes. I have come to that situation wherein I am happy. So this is individual growth which is happening in your life through a benefit which is coming to you, a financial benefit which is coming to you, a new opportunity which is coming to you in love or in your financial circumstances. I see finally that you are going to be in this hangman mode. This is Piscean card. You will be in this hangman mode, enjoying this sacrifice and riding on the fate. Riding on fate. The fate is inevitable. Fate is going to be taking you towards this sacrifice. You will be sacrificing something to get something new and fulfill your wishes. So it is going to happen for you. You cannot change it, but be careful when you are getting money, or you are getting benefit, or you are getting promotion, or you are getting out of a certain situation for a new situation. There can be energies which can try to take away things from you. They can try to take away things from you. They can try to trick you. They can try to make things difficult for you. But I am seeing that finally you will have enough to tide over with. You will have money. This card, these two major arcana, hangman and wheel of fortune, also says that you will be able to finally pay off your karma debts. Maybe some of you will be paying physical debts. You will be able to pay off all your debts. That's what I see. Fate will bring in something for you which will make you free of all chains. So it's a wonderful situation, but don't give in to someone's treachery. That is a warning. A new love offer is coming to you, and you are going towards this love. You are the Knight of Cups. It is your own energy, Pisceans. This is your water knight who is going with his emotion or her emotion with into a new situation. I see the angels are telling you that face your fears. Devil is your advice. Devil advice means that face your fear, look fear in the eye, have the courage to go towards your love, go towards your new love situation, go towards a new beginning, go towards a new partnership, go towards a new job. That is what is being said. Release old burdens, release old oppression, release your high responsibility situation. So amazing outlook which I am getting for you. I also see the faith card. This means that the divine will guide you towards your success. Have faith and optimism. This is going to happen for you. So amazing cards which you have got, my dear Pisceans. I wish you all the best, and I know that you will be able to, tide over all, bad circumstances or situations which were oppressive. Now you will be going towards your success and wish fulfillment. I wish you all the best. And if this reading has resonated, please like and subscribe. Send me a comment. If you need a personal reading, please leave a message in the comment box. I will reply to you. Bye bye.